Okay, this is the master bathroom, and you'll notice that middle cabinet. It takes up the depth of the 8-inch wall that we built in between the two rooms. So it's a nice, deep, full-height cabinet, tremendous amount of room. Notice the long recessed niche at the shower. Cool feature. And the grab bar, how it doesn't look like a grab bar. It looks very attractive. Then you'll notice here the vanity is made from the same material as the wall cabinet. Drawers left and right of the sink. Very unusual. It's a custom-made cabinet, which necessitated the custom making of the sink to fit around those two pull-out drawers. Quite nice. Now we move to the guest bath, and you'll notice in the guest bath you have a large window that we put in to access the bay view. You freestanding vanity, which I really like. Notice the tall splash. The designer came up with that with the plugs symmetry to the tall splash and tile. Love that look. As we pan out now to the full length, look at the lights. Those are really cool lights. This is why you hire interior designers, because they come up with those types of cool lights that just perfectly fit the room. Now take a look at the kitchen. Custom made middle island. The lights in the ceiling. You notice plenty of light. And there's Sonos sound system that's hidden up there. And then you have, of course, my favorite Wolf range top. What I like about this particular Wolf top is it has the griddle in the middle. I like doing pancakes and eggs. I like a flat iron grill. Quite convenient for a kitchen.